What's up, everybody? So, I know y'all probably tired of seeing me work on this thing and tired of hearing me talk, but I'm still sorting out problems with it. I'm doing the first oil change on it tonight, and I noticed a leak on the back of the motor. So I looked at it, and I couldn't really tell where it's coming from, so I checked the oil pressure line, and it was a little loose, so I tightened it up. Maybe that fixes my problem. And I have a leak on the block-off plate where the stock fuel pump's supposed to go. Right down there. And 4 bolts in that chrome plate on the side. It's leaking on the bottom of that. So I got me a gasket. Maybe that'll fix it. I got me some header bolts. Figured I'd try to use these instead of those rusty steel ones. They'll probably last longer, and maybe I won't have so much trouble getting them off of there if they ever get rusty later on. So I'll try to stop that before it happens. And I had to take the header off to get to my oil filter because I didn't use a short filter the first time. But it's got a short one on it now. I shouldn't have to do that no more. I still got to take the distributor out, lock it, and put it back in, and probably give it more timing. And it's still running a little rich too. It's a little black. Some of them's, yeah, like that one. That's got a little bit of brown on the top there, but the bottom of it's still black and the top of it's brown, so I don't understand why it's doing that. I don't know if that's a timing issue or if that's just how it runs or what. Maybe y'all can comment and teach me something. But I'll kind of tried to straighten up my wires a little bit. Got some braided wire loom. Run all the way across, down the side. I still got to figure out what to do with this. That's kind of aggravating me some, but I can live with it. It ain't too bad. But yeah, after I get those leaks fixed and change that distributor around some, I'll probably be able to open this thing up the rest of the way and see how fast or how slow it really is. I've had it out a couple times driving it. I've set the limiter at about 5,000 or 6,000 RPM, and it pulls okay, but it ain't nothing like what I thought it would be. But I'm happy with it. I've worked hard on it. I've got a lot of time in it. It's pretty much all I do in my spare time is either go to my friend's house and work out, or I come out here and fool with this thing. I got me a sticker from Happy. I don't know if y'all know who that is or not, but Happy and Limpy, they put on street races and no prep and that sort of thing. And I got to talk to him at Bowling Green for a little while. I thought that was cool. I don't know him personally, but I watch his videos and stuff, so I figured I'd put a sticker on my truck just for the heck of it. yeah, I guess that's what I got right now. Y'all take care.